Welcome to Suburban DIY. My name is Rich. Today's project, we're going to put up our holiday lights out in the backyard. Some people call them holiday lights because we put them up for the holidays. We take them down in the spring. Other people just call them outdoor lights or party lights. Either way, it's a great time of the year for us. We have a lot of guests that'll be showing up for the holidays, so we like to put the lights up and we spend a lot of time outside. Thanks for joining us. If you're considering buying some outdoor lights, you have quite a few choices. There are bigger bulbs that have some rubber on them, or they have a wire. They've got a regular A19 base, but they're pricey. These were very inexpensive. They're a thinner base here. They are seem a little bit fragile, but we're careful with them. They've lasted for us over 7 years. It's awesome. I'll put a link in the description below if you're interested. We have two 100-foot lines of these light bulbs for the backyard. And we're in one of the corners of the property, and this is how we hook it up to this corner going to the middle of the back of the house. It's just two screws here with a nice cast iron piece here on our side that we share with the neighbor. And all we do is just make a quick loop. We just hook it on the end. I have this eye bolt that goes into the fascia, and it goes into one of these rafters. So it's a nice long bolt. I put like a carabiner on this with a twist on it, and then we put this spring. And the spring is so that when it gets windy, it gives a little bit so it doesn't put so much stress onto the actual cord. You'll also see that I've got this strung up here with a pretty nice gauge wire that's wrapped around these pieces, and that's again so it doesn't pull on the actual cord itself. Just a hack way to do it, but it works for us. This is still the first line that goes to the corner that you just saw and over the pool up to the middle of the back of the house. We use this anchor. This is an equalized anchor on a 1/16 304 stainless steel line that we use to hold up the sunshades in the summer, but we get to use it here to connect the line for the lights. All right, first strand is up. Let's get the other strand up and then we'll put the bulbs in. If you'd like to see more videos on this topic, check out the Desert Garden and Food Forest playlist. Thanks for watching.